Hello everyone, Tashi the Lake. Welcome to again. Okay, today we are going to learn Press it to 21 Taras, Part 2. Dolma Nyerjig La Deba. Press it to 21 Tara, Part 2. Okay. La hatak la da nga dang la hatak la ma gyugu mi na min cha naru chö ta chöt pa na pan ga yata ga gyugu gi sa gis. Okay. La dang la min Japan geese. Okay. Jabasa jab ka yata kya gigugi pada padma la baukta jabshutu da tut da ningbo te. Okay. Jabgi padma la tu te. Okay. Jabgi padma la tu day. Okay. Day is it day. Pongba pa naro po nga sa pongba ka japshuku na kun la sa le sa gata ga ratata naro do la dol mauk za da zat ma pongba kun le dol zet ma sa gada ga radada naruto la dol ma ya japshu yu ma yum pa yadak yum la pa yadak cha ga chak au cha la chal chak chal la naro lo. Okay. La dang la min chopangi Jabki padma ladu de dolma yumla chak lo. La dang la min chopangi jabki padma ladu de pongpa gunle dolze ma dolma yumla chak lo. La is God. Okay. La is God. Dang is end. La min is a lamayin is a demigod. Okay. Pan is a crown. Okay. Ga yatak ga gigu gisa. Gis is just a collective particle. Okay. Jabasa jab is a feet. Ki is the same, is a collective particle. Okay. Padma is lotus. Lotus. La is two. Baukta jab to the tooth is a bow. Day is after. Now this word, okay, this is the meaning is after. Day is after. Pongba is a destitute. Pongba was a destitute. And is poor. The meaning is a poor, destitute. Pongba is a poor. Gun is a old. Some people Tibetan call. Some people said Tamjet Changma Gun is a all. Lasa Le is a from. Okay. Dol is a liberate. Z is a activity. Ma is a mother. Dolma is Tara. Yum is mother. Ma yum is same. Okay. La is true. Chak cha lo is a prostration. to homage. Yeah. God and demigod crown collective particle. Feet collective particle lotus. Lotus is a Padma. Two is a La. Bow is a Tut. After is now this word mean day is after. Pongpa is destitute. Kun is the all. Lay is the from. Dol is a liberate. And some people say Tharpa, liberate. Okay. Z is activity, action, yeah. The Ma is a mother, Dol is a liberate, Ma is a Tara, Yum is a mother. Okay, Dolma is a Tara. Dol is the liberate, Ma is mother. So Tara, Tara is Sanskrit. Okay, this is a Sanskrit. Okay. Yum is a mother, La is two, Chaksa Lo is a prostration. Okay. La dan la min che bangi jabgi padma la de dolma jabgi bema la dunde pomba gunle dolze man dolma yum la Chaksa Lo. La danga la mi chobangi jabgi padma la de pomba gunle dolze ma dolma yum la Chaksa Lo. Okay. Now part 2 is finished. Welcome to everyone on my YouTube channel. I hope everyone follow me. Please like, subscribe, and you can all share your friends. So next time we are going to learn part 3. Okay.